Houston home affordability rises to 39% as mortgage rates soften and prices slightly decline. Households need at least $98,400 annually to afford a median-priced Houston home. Houston's housing is more affordable than U.S. metros, where only 34% can afford homes. Lower mortgage rates and decreased rents signal balanced market, attracting more prospective buyers. Rental affordability improved. 46% of households can afford median lease at $2,100 monthly.